Okay, so this is Sounds of Beethoven. It has 3 parts. All of them, your hands are in the same place. Your right hand is in C 5-finger scale, and your left hand thumb is right next door on B, and then your 2 fingers on A. And so here's how it goes. Each one of these parts, you play it 2 times. The first time is loud, and the second time is soft. So here we go. Loud, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next part is E and starts on E, and it's loud. 1, ready, go. E, 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 A, A, E, B, B, A, 2, then soft. E, B, B, E, A, A, E, B, B, A, 2. And then we have 3 notes at once. A, C, and E all together. 1, ready, go. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, soft.